My dear students, welcome to our maths class. Here I am Sajini John, your maths teacher. We have already started the chapter factorization and studied different types of factorization. First one is taking common factor outside. Second type is grouping method. And third type is trinomial form. We already started this type. Trinomial form means trinomial standard form is ax square plus or minus bx plus c. Let's see one question. Question number 7. Now see, look here. A into 3a minus 2 minus 1. This is the question. How can we factorize? You just think. Here, first method, we cannot apply first method. Here, any common factors there? No. Only one is common factor. Grouping. Think about grouping. Is it possible there? No. So, the only way is just open this bracket. When we open this bracket, we will get a into 3a, that is 3a square, a into minus 2, that is minus 2a, minus 1. Now, this is the standard form of trinomial. Okay? 3 terms are there. 3a square minus 2a minus 1. Ax square plus or minus bx plus or minus c, that form. Okay, now we can factorize. How can we factorize it? Using product and sum method. Here, what is product? Product is coefficient of a square into c, this one, last term. So, product is minus 3 and sum is minus 2. Minus 2 is the coefficient of second term, that coefficient of x. Here, coefficient of a, that is minus 2. So, find out two numbers whose product is minus 3 and sum is minus 2. These two numbers are minus 3 and 1. Product, we can check. Minus 3 into 1, minus 3. And sum, minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Therefore, we can split the middle term. This minus 2 can be written as minus 3a plus 1a. You just add these two. You will get minus 2a itself. Okay. So, no change in these two equations or these two expressions. Now we can apply grouping method. Now these first two terms in the first group and the last two terms in the second group. Here we can see that 3a is common factor. Take it outside. What is inside? When we take 3a from here, the remaining part is a. When we take 3a from here, the remaining part is 1. 3a into 1 is 3a itself. Therefore, we will get 3a into a minus 1 plus take 1 outside from here, 1 into a minus 1. Now it is very clear that a minus 1 is common factor. Again, we can see one common factor in these two terms. So, we can take that a minus 1 outside. Now, 3a minus 1 outside. The remaining part is 3a plus 1. 3a plus 1. So, factors of this given expression are 3a plus 1 and a minus 1. Okay. So, factorize or this expression can be written as 3a plus 1 into a minus 1. Now we can do one more question. Look here. Question number 10. 2a plus b the whole square minus 6a minus 3b minus 4. This is the question. You can think about the different methods. Taking common factor outside. Second method is grouping. Third method is trinomial form. Here, look here. It is a quadratic equation. Okay. Now, anyway, when you see this question, you can understand. You just take a common factor from these two terms. You can see minus 3 is common. When you take minus 3 from these two terms, the remaining is 2a plus b. You can see that. Look here. When we take minus 3 from these two terms, the remaining part is 2a plus b. You just multiply minus 3 into 2a minus 6a. Minus 3 into plus b, that is minus 3b. The remaining minus 4. Now you can see this is in the form trinomial. Ax square plus bx plus c, that form. Here instead of x there is two terms, this expression. So for easiness we can write let 2a plus b as another letter. Yes, x. We can take 2a plus b as x. So this expression becomes x square. Look here. Here we can write x. X square minus 3 into this part is x minus 4. Okay. Now this is typical trinomial form. Ax square plus bx plus c, that form. Now we can apply product and sum method. Okay. Here what is product? It is obviously 1 into minus 4, that is minus 4, and sum is the coefficient of middle term, that is minus 3. So find two numbers whose sum is minus 4 and whose product is minus 4 and sum is minus 3, that is minus 4 and 1. So split the middle term. Split the middle term means minus 3x can be written as minus 4x plus x. So now we can apply grouping. These two in one group. So take common factor outside. What is common factor? X is common. Take it outside. The remaining is x minus 4. Plus from here you can take 1 outside. 1 into x minus 4. Now x minus 4 is common factor. You can take it outside. X minus 4 into x plus 1. Okay. But the question is this. 2a plus b. We get the answer in x. But we want to write the answer in a and b, no? Because x is 2a plus b. So substitute that value here. Instead of x we can substitute 2a plus b. So this becomes 2a plus b. Instead of x there is 2a plus b. 2a plus b minus 4 into this 2a plus b plus 1. So the answer at last we get this expression can be written as 2a plus b minus 4 into 2a plus b plus 1. Okay. We can do one more question. Question number 12. The question is 3a square minus 1 minus 2a. Actually it is trinomial, but you have to express this as the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c, because here power is 2. In the second term the power of x is 1. In the last term power of x is 0, because c into x raised to 0. Actually, x raised to 0 is 1. So, we can write c only here. Okay. So, we can rearrange this. How? 3a square minus 2a minus 1. Okay. Rearrange it like this. Now, both are same form. Now we can apply product and sum method. Product is 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. Sum is minus 2. So, which are the two numbers? Minus 3 and 1. Product is minus 3. Sum is minus 2. So, split the middle term. Minus 2a can be written as minus 3a plus 1a minus 1. Now, take these two as one group. What is common factor? 3a is common. Inside a minus 1. Plus, in these two terms, 1 is common factor. Take it outside. Into a minus 1. Now, it is very clear that a minus 1 is a common factor in these two terms. So, you can take a minus 1 outside. Therefore, inside again, in the next bracket, you will get 3a plus 1. Okay. So, the answer is a minus 1 into 3a plus 1. Now, we are going to learn about type 4. Type 4, fourth type. Fourth type is difference of two squares. Type 4, difference of two squares. Actually, listen, since the product of x plus y and x minus y, product of x plus y and x minus y is x square minus y square. Therefore, we can write factors of x square minus y square are x plus y and x minus y, or we can express x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Similarly, what is a square minus b square? In that chapter, in previous classes, we have learned in that chapter, which chapter? Expansion. Okay. In that chapter, we have already learned this expression. A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. Do you remember that? Anyway, we can use this identity in this type. Okay. This part. Now, let's see one question. Factorize completely. Look here. 25a square minus 9b square. This 25a square is a perfect square. 9b square is also a perfect square. So, this 25a square can be written as 5a the whole square, and 9b square can be written as 3b the whole square. Right? Look here. 5a the whole square minus 3b the whole square. Actually, this is in the form x square minus y square. Look here. X square minus y square. What is x square minus y square? X plus y into x minus y. Therefore, this can be written as 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b in the same form. Okay. Do it carefully. Now, the answer is 5a plus 3b into 5a minus 3b. Now, one more question we can do. Question number 3. Second one is homework. Now, you can see a square minus 81 into b minus c the whole square. Actually, a square is a perfect square. And what about this? This together is also a perfect square because 81 into b minus c square can be written as 9 into b minus c the whole square, right? 9 into b minus c the whole square. When we take square of this 9, you will get 81. Then b minus c the whole square. Do you remember? A into b the whole raised to m is a raised to m into b raised to m. Okay? So, in the next step, we can write a square minus, just open this bracket, 9b minus 9c, the whole square. Put this 2 here. Now, this is in the form x square minus y square. Look here, x square minus y square. Y is this one. This is y. Okay, this is x square minus y square 4. Now we can apply x plus y into x minus y. We know x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Here we can apply that. A plus 9b plus, a plus x plus y into x minus y. So, a plus 9b minus 9c into a minus 9b minus 9c in bracket. Okay. Again, we can write a plus 9b minus 9c into a minus, just open this bracket, a minus 9b minus of minus 9c plus 9c. So, this is the final result. Now, we can do one more question, same type. Look here. When you do this question, should be very careful. Okay. 25 into 2a minus b the whole square minus 81b square. It is also that type 4, that is difference of two squares. It is a perfect square. At the same time, this is also a perfect square. So 25 into 2a minus b can be written as 5 into 2a minus b the whole square minus 9b the whole square. Just open this bracket. You will get 10a minus 5b the whole square. Here 9b the whole square. X square minus y square 4. This total is x square and this is y square. No need of writing this x square and y square on the top. Okay. Now we can apply x square minus y square is x plus y into x minus y. Therefore, this can be written as 10a minus 5b plus 9b into 10a minus 5b minus 9b. X plus y into x minus y. Right? Now, any simplification possible? A here 5b. Okay. Here we can simplify this because you can see these two are the two like terms. Here also these two are the two like terms. So simplify this. Minus 5b plus 9b, which is plus 4b. Here minus 5b minus 9b, that is minus 14b. Again we can see a common factor here. 2 is common, no? 10 and 4. There is one common factor 2. So we can take that 2 outside. At the same time, here also again one more common factor, that is 2. 10a, 14a. If you take 2 outside, you will get 5a minus 7b. Here when you take 2 outside, you will get 5a plus 2b. Okay, right? Therefore, now we can write it in a very good manner. Look, we can multiply this 2 and 2 together. 2 into 2 is 4. Then 4 into 5a plus 2b into 5a minus 7b. So these are the factors. 4 is a factor. 5a plus 2b is a factor. 5a minus 7b is a factor. Actually 2 is also a factor. Look here. In 4, 4 can be written as 2 into 2. Okay. Therefore, we can write the final answer in this way. Now, we can see one more question. 4a square b minus 9b cube. This is not in that form. X square minus y square. Not in that form. So, what can we do here? You just think of all these types. First one, taking common factor outside. Any common factor here? Yes. We can see one common factor b. B is a common. Look here. Here one b. Here also b cube. We can take one b. The remaining is b square. So you can you can take b outside. Then the remaining is 4a square minus 9b square. Now this part is in that form. A square minus b or x square minus y square form. Difference of two squares. So this can be written as 2a the whole square minus 3b the whole square. Okay. So b into x square minus y square form. Therefore, we can apply that x plus y into x minus y. That is 2a plus 3b into 2a minus 3b. So, this is the answer. These are the factors. Look, b, 2a plus 3b, 2a minus 3b. Now we can do one more question here. 9 into a minus 2 the whole square minus 16 into a plus 2 the whole square. Now, you can express this in that form x square minus y square. Okay. 9. You can write 3 into a minus 2 the whole square. Root of 16 is 4. Therefore, 4 square is 16. So, we can write 4 into a plus 2 the whole square. As usual, open this bracket. Open that bracket. So, you will get 3a minus 3 into 2, 6. Okay. 3a minus 6 the whole square minus 4a plus 8 the whole square. Now, apply a plus b into a minus b. You can see this is a plus b. Look here, a minus b. Now, simplify. 3a plus 4a, that is 7a, minus 6 plus 8 plus 2. Here, 3a minus 4a minus a, minus 6 minus 8 minus 14. Here, we can take this minus 1 outside. So, when you take minus 1 outside, inside you will get a plus 14. So, you can write the answer minus 1 into 7a plus 2 into a plus 14. Or this. Both are correct. This expression is already in product form. So, here itself you can stop. Or you can take minus 1 outside from this group or from this bracket and write answer like this. Okay. Now you have to remember the fourth method. Okay. If you have given a question in this form, x square minus y square, you have to use x square minus y square is equal to x plus y into x minus y. Use that form and you can factorize it very easily. Okay. So let's stop. Okay, thank you.